Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm looking very oily. I walked around how many kilometers? 1.5, 3 kilometers. Three and a half kilometers. I went to Malabar Hotel in Sakinaka. Look at this heat. Today one of my cousins called me up and she went on and on and on because of some family feud happening. So I was just thinking in my mind that ये भाई बहनों में भी कितना politics होता है and then that seeps into their children. So there are a lot of things like a bunch of them will not be talking to one another, or they will be having camps and you're neutral, you don't know what's happening, so the other side keeps calling you up and all. Then I told her that whatever happened, see, I don't know what is happening because I'm not in the WhatsApp group, but if you need she wanted some help regarding some property stuff on my mother's side. So I said, okay, whatever I can do, I might help you out if you need something. But besides that, I'm unaware and I'm least interested. I don't even care. Then she's saying it's a talk that you're not in touch. Nobody has your contact. I said, what rubbish. Everybody, every single person is tuned into me and they're watching my status every single day. It's not possible at all that they don't know what I'm doing. But they're actually, contacting, like they're just pretending to be ignorant and innocent so that they get information, sneaky way of getting information. Why do people lead such complicated life? How does it matter? Like, am I something really important? I'm in Bombay. These people are in Mangalore. Okay. How does it matter? I'm nowhere connected. I told her, first and foremost, came as a formality. There was a wedding last year of my cousin, the last one from the family, and it was due to formality I had to attend that, and that's how I had stayed over there. Otherwise, I'm absolutely not really in touch. I've seen a lot of people after many years, many years, 25, 30 years, and that also some of them I've seen them with small kids. Now they have their own kids. Everything has changed. I said, I'm really not in touch, so I don't know what is happening. So whatever it is. And as I said, when I was younger, when I was in my school, up to college, I was in touch with a couple of them, but after that I don't know anything about, apart from my age group. And I said they are the biggest bitches. I'm not really in touch with them unless and until they force their communication on me. And I told them that maybe they were not like this before. Now, since they are come from a poor background and suddenly they see money, they lose their minds, right? I said, I am not supposed to be involved in all these things. You need help, if whatever help I can do, I will do it. But besides that, it seems from my mother's side, all the which is there in the village, there is no record of the property. And the female who called me, her brother, has made a plantation, and that is worth lakhs of rupees. That even if he wants to sell it, he cannot sell the property because there are no papers. I'm laughing right now, so because he's made a lot of plantation, lot of changes, whatever land they had got when they had divided the property. My mama's side, I'm talking. This is what happens when you're acting haphazard. And I'm sure they're going to sell off that property because it might fetch them a very good price, but there are no papers, right? When there are no papers, absolutely no papers, nothing. So all that. Today I was talking to this, I was in the Sakinaka Chawl, right? And then I was talking to these ladies, who are Muslims, of course. It is a predominantly a Muslim area. And okay, there are other religions also, but these are 70% of them. So all the clothing was so dark and depressing. Black, dark blue, weird prints which were not so great. I felt really depressed, and I started talking to this female who lived, of course, somewhere in a posh area in Marol itself. She's saying, I'm the partner. So I got talking to her. So she said she had wholesale and a retail of Western clothes. Okay, so I got talking to her. So, and they're all branded, huh? These people, when they're getting their seconds or the stock which is not sold, you will be surprised. You will be surprised. You have to go to these small time people to pick up good stuff, really. I got in touch with her, I got exchanged numbers, and I told her that I might get in touch with you for Western clothes. I said, क्या हुआ यहाँ पे देख के बहुत दुखी लग रहा है, ये सब डार्क और डिप्रेसिंग प्रिंट्स भी कैसे अजीब से कपड़े पहनने के लिए पहनते हैं कैसे, तो भी बिकॉज वो माहौल वैसा है ना, वो एरिया वैसी है. एंड इट इज जस्ट 1 किलोमीटर अवे फ्रॉम मरोल, साकीनाका. Just hardly walking distance. I came walking from Sakinaka. Literally from Chandivli, I literally came walking, which is almost 2 kilometers. खेरानी रोड, इट इज कॉल्ड खेरानी रोड. जेरेमेरी शुरू हो जाता है उसके बाद. आई केम वॉकिंग फ्रॉम दे. सो यू कैन इमेजिन. एंड देन आई वेंट टू चर्च फॉर माई विजिट. फ्रॉम देयर खेरानी रोड टू मरोल मरोशी ऑलमोस्ट आरे तक मैं चल के आई. दिस चर्च ऑलमोस्ट कम्स इन गोरेगांव. इट्स ऑन द बॉर्डर ऑफ गोरेगांव. लिटरली आरे स्टार्ट्स, गोरेगांव स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम लाइक जस्ट 5 minutes after that church is Goregaon, Are. So I have walked from Khirani Road to this much, which is roughly around 3.5, 4 kilometers almost. Yeah, it is 4 kilometers. बहुत ही डल कपड़े पहनने के लिए पहनना है तो फिर मजा क्या है. Then I was telling her, नहीं आप इसका निकाल के, मैंने बोला नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता है. The one I loved was small. अब स्मॉल में कैसे, देन ऊपर से तुम इतने सुंदर प्रिंट बनाते हो, फिर तुम पैजामा भी बनाते हो और फिर तुम दुपट्टा भी बनाते हो, उसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं बनता है. इफ यू वांट टू कीप अ स्लीवलेस kurta, keep it sleeveless kurta, make a single kurta, don't make a set out of it and waste the fabric. I want to tell the garment manufacturer, don't waste the fabric. सोच समझ के अपने डेमोग्राफिक को बेचोगे तो बिक जाएगा. और कैसे साइज रखते हो, स्मॉल छोटे बच्चे का साइज, विल दे वेयर सच थिंग्स. कुछ भी तो भी नहीं करने का. यू शुड बी वेरी माइंडफुल, डोंट वेस्ट योर क्लोथ्स. दे एंड अप बीइंग लाइक दिस. फिर डेफिनेटली दे आर गोइंग टू सेल इट टू अदर पीपल, बट वहाँ का क्राउड ये सब नहीं पहनेगा, ना ही समझेगा. Then there was some sleeveless spaghetti top, but it was so dark brown in color. It was not even brown, it was a maroonish Oxford blood, some weird color, because if you're going to wear it, you're going to look more dark in that. If you're fair and if you're wearing it, it will look better. They don't understand the concept of shorts. Then she was like, we have everything. You don't. I'm not asking for everything. I'm just asking for sleeveless and straight. फिर मैं करूँगी जो मुझे करना है, मुझे शॉर्ट करना है. I don't say I have to remove sleeves and make it sleeveless everything. It will spoil the show. That other female who already had a shop understood what I was saying. You know, on my WhatsApp status, what I've written? Haters, traitors, and hypocrites, just get lost. Don't crowd my space and waste my time. It's a fact. I have no patience. And if people think that I'll be going knocking around looking like I'll say, please, please be desperate. No, that's not going to happen. I've just colored my hair. Let's see how it turns out to be tomorrow, and my face is looking very sticky because it's very humid. I will not, I don't want to give a great picture by saying, oh, I'm enjoying myself. It is very humid and I can barely hear my own voice. And it is depressing me to be in my own house. I had to put the light on yesterday for the whole day, in the whole night. I kept it on purposely, my living room light. Yesterday I was eating a lot of almonds, nuts. See, all heat in the body. And there's heat in the body looks very... I'm very dehydrated. You know, they just want to sell the mal. Don't be like sell the mal. People will buy it nonetheless. तुम्हारा जहाँ पे है वो वैसे उठा लेंगे. इतनी ugly designs. वो ugly designs देख के मुझे depression आ गया. And there was parlor, and that female was cooking at the counter. Actually, एक pantry तो रखो भाई. Imagine तो खाने का पूरा smell घूमता रहेगा. फिर वो थोड़े से कुर्ते उन्होंने वहाँ पे रखे थे in the parlor. एक घर छोड़ के दूसरे नीचे वाले इसमें पूरा पार्लर लगा दिया. ये लेडीज का यही काम है, पार्लर. और ये You know, I'll tell you about this. ये जो बिल्डिंग दिखती है, यहाँ पे एक ओल्ड अंकल रहते हैं. He's got plenty of properties. I think ये एक है, फिर एक दूसरे बिल्डिंग में है, और 2-3 places में 2 बिल्डिंग. So in totally he is the owner of 5 to 6 flats nearby. Okay, 5 flats in prime location. I'm talking Andheri itself. So the children are feuding for the property. Okay. Now I saw in the church compound, I saw his elder son who's apparently living, but he looks like a beggar. I don't know whether he's sidelined by his other siblings and there's a property feud. So your father is very much in the compound, okay? And he's coming walking. Then I saw the other brother coming running. I said, I met your father. I was talking to him. He's on the way. He's saying, I'm come to take him. You're come to take him because he's a करोड़पति. Tomorrow if उसका टाटा बाय बाय हो जाता है, उसका कहीं 4-5 करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी है, फ्लैट्स, वो 5 करोड़ मैंने ऐसे ही बोल दिए. You know ना, each and every flat how it costs, 2 bedroom के. If he drops dead any moment, he's going to take over everything, he and his other sibling. This one is not getting anything, so he's not talking to his father. I felt like saying, even if your father doesn't give you any footy kaudi, you have your own house, right? Forget it, let them take it. And these people are very, very well to do. The one who was running, oh God, he's got other properties. एक बिल्डिंग में 2-2, 3-3 कितने प्रॉपर्टीज है. और ये फिर भी ऐसे भूखे नंगे की तरह भाग के. Why? Because the father is a करोड़पति. कहीं if he drop dead, immediately इन दोनों के नाम पे आ जाएगा ये सिब, उसका दूसरा सिब. So this is how they fight for the property. They're not bothered about their father. So इसलिए मैं वो ओल्ड लोगों को बोलती हूँ, इतना मुंह मार के, जी मार के, हाथ तंग करके जीना क्या फायदा. तुम्हारे बच्चे तुम्हें वैल्यू नहीं करते. He has a caretaker. वो अकेले रहते हैं 2 bedroom के अपार्टमेंट में, एक फ्लोर पे, और जस्ट ऑन द अबाव हिज अदर सन, एंड दे आर नॉट इन टॉकिंग टर्म्स. And he has a servant, some Bihari servant who will cook and clean for him 24 hours, 30,000 rupees as salary. Think about it. तुम इतने करोड़पति हो कि जो बच्चे तुम्हारे खुद ही बिल्डिंग में रहते हैं वो बात नहीं करते, और प्रॉपर्टी के लिए इतना झगड़ा. उसका दूसरा बेटा भी नियर बाय ही रहता है जो करोड़पति है. this female has worn some pajamas which are night wear, and she's worn a t-shirt. I don't know why women wear such clumsy clothes. I don't know. They look very clumsy. I saw one female and she was wearing body hugging. Unless and until you have a very good figure, please don't wear body hugging. Please, please. Your stomach looks this big. Those models के लिए अलग है because they are starving, they are tall and they are like underweight. Look at me, I'm underweight. Like literally, I'm like this chapti. And I don't know what's with these females. The minute you enter some shop, they'll remove this bras. Bras दिखाओ, padded वाले. मैंने बोला I don't use padded bras. Please keep them behind. They look nice, but I'm not wearing them. So don't even show it to me. I said they अच्छे दिखते हैं, लेकिन मुझे चाहिए नहीं. पैडेड ब्रास अगर मैंने बोला मैं अगर मैं पहनती तो मेरे ब्रेस्ट इतने बड़े बड़े दिखते. मैं नहीं पहनती हूँ. मेरा फिगर इतना सा, मैं पतली सुकड़ी चपटी सी, and then I'll wear these padded bras. Why? To show what? To prove what to people? My fertility or my femininity? I don't know what. Why is there this exceptional beauty trend to wear padded? I think it's disgusting. I told her, listen, I'm 30 to 33 and I am not bothered about all that. I want to wear comfortable clothes. It's humid and it's raining. I cannot be wearing long clothes and parading around with this. I want comfortable and trendy clothes. I cannot be wearing kurtas and pants and hanging around. It's hot. And I said sleeveless and cotton. That concept of wearing according to the season is very much not there in India, so forget it. मुझे कोई बोलता ना fashion review, ऐसा, there is nothing called fashion review over here. Everybody has such a horrible dressing sense that you actually look at it's raining, for goodness sake. It's summer season and then you'll see people wearing such layers of clothing on them. For what? Like, what's wrong with you people? So I chose to wear a cotton because it's hot. And I told her, listen, my style, I'm a pakki bahenji also. I'm with my bindis and all my jhumkas. So I'm very Indo-Western when I'm wearing. It's a blend of Indo-Western. It's not totally Western or it's not totally Indian. There's always a touch. Then she said, parlor. The minute you touch this parlor female, the first thing they'll have parlor pe nahi hai. I said, no, I don't use any of the parlor ka kuch nahi karke. Then she removed a small dibya which had some kind of a deodorant, natural deodorant. It was a musk. फतेही, उसका ब्रांड का नाम फतेही है. बहुत अच्छा था. छोटी सी डिब्बिया थी. आमंड ऑयल, ऑलिव ऑयल एंड ग्लिसरीन, एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट वाज, बट इट इज रियली गुड. फैब्युलस. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. तुम लोग इतना पैसा जमा करते हो, बुढ़े लोग मर मराव के जीते हो. अब दैट अंकल हैज सो मेनी एलिमेंट्स, डायबिटीज, ये वो, रोज ब्लड टेस्ट के लिए जाते हैं विद हिज सर्वेंट. तुम्हारा बेटा उसी बिल्डिंग में रहकर तुम्हारा मुंह नहीं देख रहा है, तो तुम्हारे करोड़ों किस काम के? वो तुम्हारा सर्वेंट 30,000 रुपए 40,000 रुपए देके वो अपने तुम्हारे बेटे का काम कर रहा है. हाउ स्टूपिड इज दैट. और दूसरा भाग भाग के जाता है दिखाने के लिए, दिखावा करने के लिए, मैं अपने डैडी से कितना प्यार करता हूँ. साल में एक बार भी उसके घर में लंच भी नहीं होता होगा उनका, जबकि he just stays few buildings away. And I know all these people, na, they are whatever, such hypocrites. When I have to do small talk, it really irritates me, And that lady was talking to me in English. मैंने बोला हिंदी में बातें करो यार. हिंदी में बातें करने से क्या होता है? What if I were to carry my Louis Vuitton bag? फिर तो तुम फ्रेंच में मुझसे बातें करती. ये क्या ड्रामेबाजी है? We can speak in Hindi. We can very much speak in Hindi. कोई बात नहीं है. वो प्लेस को देख के ना, वो साकिनाका को देख के रियली मुझे डिप्रेशन आ जाता है, बिकॉज इतना कंजेस्टेड है, इतना कंजेशन है. देन व्हेन आई वाज थिंकिंग ऑफ माय ओल्ड बिल्डिंग, मैंने बोला ये ओल्ड बिल्डिंग तो होगा, लेकिन ठीक है यार, बिल्डिंग होता है, चौल होता है. सो प्लीज, द पीपल फ्रॉम द चौल एक्टिंग स्मार्ट, गुड फॉर देम, बट बिल्डिंग इज अ बिल्डिंग. तुम कितना भी बोलो चौल हमारी फर्स्ट क्लास है, ये है वो है, unless and until it is Marol का एक गाउंटन एरिया है where they have really made it posh and they have their own kind of whatever it is, then it's a different question. And that depends कि तुम किसके साथ रहते हो. जैसे वो जो है आई थिंक वो भी ईस्ट इंडियन का ही जगह है. इट्स कॉल्ड जेरोम सेट. जेरोम सेट वो थोड़ा ईस्ट इंडियंस का है, थोड़ा मुस्लिम्स है, थोड़े मारवाड़ीज है, थोड़े सरदार का गुरुद्वारा है, फिर थोड़ा वो मंदिर है अय्यप्पन मंदिर, फिर ये मॉस्क है. सो इट्स वेरी क्योटिक. तो उस जगह में तुम्हें पता भी नहीं होता है कि तुम्हारे बाजू वाला क्या है बेसिकली. So it is so congested and so much of activity, commercial activity happening. I was seeing the jeans being dyed over there, branded jeans in that small place. It's a lot of commercial area because it is close to Kurla and Jerry Mary. So all the trading happens in these small chawls. Literally, I saw that jeans being dyed over there. Huh? Next time if I go there, maybe I might just, but then they had shut shop and I was not really interested in denim. So that's another thing. But there are a lot of small shops, wholesale shops. Wholesale से लेके आते हैं, then यहाँ से सूरत से लेके आते हैं, then they sell it to the retailers. I'm dying. See, I am not here to attack the gay community, but yes, they are the biggest bitches. इतने वेले bitches है ना उन लोग. I'm not here to show hatred to any particular community if it's a Pride month or something. So better just stay away, okay? I didn't have a single kind word from them. It's not because they feel attacked. Why should you be feeling attacked? If you have some sort of a sexual orientation, it is good for you. Don't come and sit on my head. And I'm least interested. I'm not here to justify my content to anybody. Who wants to watch it can very well watch it or just get lost. Anyway, I'm not getting a single penny out of it. So why should I be afraid of anything or anybody? I see Panwati faces. I really make a face. Monsoons, I'm just going to buy some, simple clothes. I'm not going to wear all that fancy kurta. I told her I've got umpteen amount of kurtas which I can make a boutique of it. And real unique ones with unique colors. I don't have to come here and buy these weird colors and weird designs. Then corset कुछ तो बोल रही थी. मैंने बोला एक pants और वो short मुझे नहीं पसंद आता है वो. Now how to explain to that female that okay, the print looks good but I'm not liking it, right? I can just admire it but I'm not really liking it. It's not serving my purpose. Where do I wear that? Right? I want something functional because I walk a lot. Since I walk a lot and I'm literally all over the place, I need something comfortable. I cannot be wearing something which I'm not comfortable and it looks fashionable. It should look fashionable and it's functional and it's practical. I need to breathe. I cannot be wearing something which